Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about local contractors being a part of the Spark program. Now, the government came out recently, like the last few days, and said that local contractors will be a part of the Spark program. Now, the government had pre-qualification for the program, so basically they invited contractors to submit their paperwork if they were interested in a Spark program. And then they got 8 companies and they chose 5. So those 5 will now bid on the 4 projects that make up the Spark program. Now, of those 5, none were Jamaican contractors. None. You have 5 international contractors, 2 from China, 1 from France, 1 from Canada, and 1 from, I think it's the UK. So, a lot of people started to discuss the list that no Jamaican contractors were on it. So the government came out and said, even though they're using foreign contractors as the main contractor, the foreign contractors have to use local contractors as subcontractors. Now, does this sound familiar, guys? This is the same thing that happened with the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, which is the road we're driving on now. This road, the exact same thing. China Harbour Engineering Company was the main contractor, and 10 local contractors were used as subcontractors. And it was a disaster. Of the 10, only 4 are left, and no section has been completed. The people had to literally block the road because of what the local contractors were doing. I think a riot almost started out there once. And the government has gone ahead and done the same thing again. Talk about learning a lesson. So we are going to go through an article that explains more about how the local contractors will be involved in the Spark program. Minister without portfolio, Honorable Robert Nestor Morgan, is emphasizing the critical role of local contractors in the shared prosperity through accelerated improvement to the road network program. During a meeting with stakeholders of the program at the New Kingston offices of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Minister Morgan gave the assurance that local contractors are integral to the project. He asserted that claims that they are being sidelined in favor of overseas contractors are unequivocally false. The government values and relies on the essential involvement of local contractors for the successful execution of the Spark project. We remain committed to fostering local expertise while benefiting from international collaboration, the minister said. Minister Morgan added that the procurement phase of the 4 packages under the Spark project adheres to the international competitive bid. The pre-qualification stage has been successfully completed and we are now moving to the bid proposal stage. Pre-qualified contractors will be invited to submit their tenders, the minister stated. He further noted that all international contractors participating in the process are mandated to have local partners aligning with global best practices. The minister outlined the roles of the local contractors, noting that they would be required to assist in competitive bid proposal preparation, provide logistic support for sourcing materials, labor and equipment, and facilitate setup and mobilization for efficient project execution. He explained that most local partners will be engaged through subcontracting arrangements with international contractors, which are factored into bid pricing. Minister Morgan noted that upon acceptance of bid proposals, international contractors will include the agreements with local subcontractors in their detailed work plans, thereby maintaining the quality and integrity of the program. Alright guys, that's the end of the article. And this is really surprising based on what happened on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So guys, let us know what you think about this, the use of local subcontractors. And they said, bid proposal noted, Minister Morgan noted that upon acceptance of bid proposals, international contractors will include the agreements with local subcontractors. Then they said they are mandated to use them. I mean, it did not work on the Southern Coastal Highway. Why do they think it's going to work now? Alright guys, let us know what you think about the local contractors being a part of the Spark program. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.